Codeforces round 822. This round is very good challenge. We have here 3 challenges. We start with the select 3 sticks. This video about select 3 sticks challenge we will solve now and know how to solve and write programs for Codeforces contests. Select 3 sticks. You are given n sticks with positive integral lengths a1, a2 until an. You can perform the following operation any number of times, possibly 0. Choose one stick, then either increase or decrease its length by 1 after each operation. All sticks should have positive lengths. What is the minimum number of operations that you have to perform such that it is possible to select 3 of the n sticks and use them without breaking from an equilateral triangle? We need 3 equal n, or 3 sticks are equal in length from n number of sticks. An equilateral triangle is a triangle where all of its 3 sides have the same length. The input is t, and t is greater than 1 or equal, and t equal or less than 100. And t, this is the number of tests, which is the first input. This is the t, number of tests. The first line, then we have the first line, which is this one. The first line of each test contains a single integer n, where n greater than or equal 3 and less than or equal 300, the number of sticks. And the second line of each test case contains n integers a1, a2 until an, where ai is greater or equal 1 and less than or equal 10 power to 9, the lengths of the sticks. It is guaranteed that the sum of n over all test cases does not exceed 300. So here we have, these are the inputs. We have the number of tests 4. The first test has 3 elements. Each value of element or stick is 1. The second is 2. The third is 3. And the second test we have 4 sticks. The first one is of 7 and the second of 3, and so on. The output, when we do operations, so the first one needs 2 operations. We will decrease 1 from 3 and increase 1 to 1, so we have equal 2s, each stick with length of 2 value. The second one, we will increase the first one 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These are 4 operations, so we have 3 sevens. And number 5 is the test number 3. We have 5 sticks. We will decrease 1 from number 2, so we have 3 ones, so just 1 operation. And the last test we have 8 sticks. Also we will do just 1 operation. We have 2, we will decrease it by 1, so we have 3 ones here, and so on. So let's do the program here. So the idea is coming here. We have some equal 0. This summation for because we have here the n over all tests does not exceed exceed 300. So we have the summation equal 0 here, and we have the input the number of tests of t variable, and t is greater than or equal 1 and less than or equal 100. And then we start the for loop for m and range of t. We have initialized array here. Also we have a variable x equals 0 for this loop, while loop. And then we have entering the value for n, the number of sticks. So n equals integer of input. Then we have if n equals than or equals 3 and n less than or equal 300. So sum equals sum plus n. Sum equal started with 0, started with 0, and here we have sum equals sum plus n. While x less than n, y equals integer of input. We enter a value here, and here we will start storing these y's in an array, which is the name is arr. This is the array, and then we will increment x by 1 when x less than n. So this loop is operating and executing. When x equal n, so this will end this while loop will be finished and break and go out. Then we have sorting. This is the secret or the key of the solution. I will sort this array of elements, ascending and descending. First I will sort this descending order, and then I will this is the number of operations. I will I need the first 3 elements of this array. So from element AR of 0, AR of 1, AR of 2. So I will make subtraction between the first element and third element, and this is will be the number of operations. And then I will make ascending order, and also I will get the differences between the first element in an array and the third element, which is index of 0, index of 2, and this is will be operation 1. This is operation, and this is the another option OB1. If OB1 less than OP less than OB1, so I will take it. But if OP less than or of 0, it's a minus value. It cannot be operations of minus value. So I will multiply it by -1. Else لو هي OP equals 0 or greater than 0, so I will take the OP, and then I will print all time positive value. Else if OP less than 0, I will do the same. I will multiply by -1 and print it. Others I will print OP1. So I will take the smaller than 1. Then there are 3 errors here, where because I have 3 f's, this is the first f. So if t is not in this range, it will give me an error. This is the first. This is the last error. This is the last error. This is one error double r, and I have inner value here. If n not in this range, so I will have these errors. This error this one. And if sum greater than 300, which is this condition, so it will give me errors. Okay, let's try this. Let's run. we have here the outputs, the inputs and outputs. We have the 4 cases, 4. So I will, these 4 tests or cases. The first test of n of 3, so I have 3 elements, which are 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3. So the number of operations will be 2. It will be printed. It's printed. See, let's see the first case or the first test, number 2. Then we will enter the second case. The second case will be, we have 4 strings, 4, its value 7373, 7373. So 7, enter, 3, enter, 7, enter, 3, enter. So I have 4 operations. I will increment 3 to 4 and 4 to 5 and 5 to 6 and 6 to 7. I have 3 sevens. Then the next one, I have 5 strings, and these values of strings are 3, 4, 2, 1, 1. So 5, and the values are 3, 4, 2, 1, 1. 3, 4, 3, enter, 4, enter, 2, enter, 1, enter, 1, enter. So here I have just a 1 value. Okay, and so on. This is our program. I will copy this program, copy, and I will store it in my codes in Solo Learn, as we do every time. .solo learn. I will copy here the problem and the challenge text and the solution, and I will take this link, and I will put the link of this code in the description. You can use it. Code playground. My codes. Then new code. Python. And here I will put the problem or the challenge. So it's comment, and here the solution. Then I will go to here to bring the challenge, which is this one. Okay. Control C, and then put here inside the comments. So this is the challenge, and then public. I will name it as a problem. Here is the problem. This is a problem. Control C, and then I will take this link and put in the description of the YouTube, so you can use this code later. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you understood. If you like it, share it and write your good comment to continue. If there is any question, write it and I will reply you in a comment or in a separate